Hey guys, this will be a video comparing the 2000 Midnight Navy 6s and the 2022 Navy 6s that came out this year. Just off the bat, kind of obvious the boxes are different. Also the inside as well. They have the nice paper inside. Doesn't come with the card that the OG Bears comes with. Let me see if I can try to find it. Only the 2000s have the cards. I don't think none of the newer releases come with any cards anyways. Let me just take it out right now. This is my pair that I've had for well over 10 years. As you can see, it's kind of worn. Pretty used up. Unfortunately, it's not wearable anymore. You can kind of see that cracks started to come out. But I'm not too mad about it since I wore it enough. And then these are the newer releases. As you can see right away, one of the main differences you can see is the tongue. On the 2000 pair, it's black. On the 22 pair, it's navy. Still has the same lace locks. Same kind of color, midnight navy. Now the leather, which I'm not sure if you can kind of see, it's thicker on the 2000 pair. You can kind of see how thick that is right there. And then the 22 pair, you can see how thin it is. I've seen some videos say that the quality is the same. In my opinion, the OGs will always be, better than the retros. You can kind of see the leather right there, how different it is. And also the color is a little bit darker. These are brand new and it kind of looks like it's worn already. These are worn. Don't see that much over here. Let's take a quick look at the bottom. Yellow because of age. Pretty much the same concept. This is black. This is that's black, and that's midnight navy. I guess that's one minor difference in the sole. Now on the back tab, you can see that the Jumpman's thinner here, kind of skinnier. Probably didn't eat much back then. And this one, well, it's a little thicker. You can kind of see a little bit of blue there. You know how Nike's quality check is. A little bit of the wing, kind of the same color scheme. Also, I would like to point out, you can see the leather there, how different it is from this one. It's very smooth. There's a little bit of tumble, I guess is what they say. Also, the air is a little grayer, and this one is whiter. Not sure, maybe it's because it's dirty, but let's just say that the older pair has a gray air and then the newer pair has the white. See if you can see the inside. The insole is kind of the same. Not too much of a difference. Kind of quick comparison there too. So you can see the leather. This one has not been worn, but you can see it kind of looks like it's a little bit worn there. Some quality issues right here. So the toe, I don't see much of a difference in the toe. As you can see, there's 3 little holes right here. The OG pair, there's only 1. There's nothing inside, and I have nothing in the older pair to keep it that smooth. But regardless, you can see the shape is a little slight different. Not much though. You can see the distance here is it's a little smaller on the newer pair. Smaller pair is a little bit thicker. You see the kind of bullet holes, I guess I'll call them. Got 5 over here, 5 over here. At least they kept the same kind of holes in the leather. Same over here. As I said, this one is kind of smoother. This one has a better quality feel, in my opinion. For those that are in the fence of getting these, if you can, just get the newer pair. I, for one, just got this just to make a comparison with it. I've only seen a couple videos out there making some good comparisons. I just want to get kind of closer to the leather and the quality of it. I would probably prefer to sole swap, the older pair and just keep the older pair. I like the box more too. As you can see, it's the face of MJ. And this one is just, Midnight Navy with a Jumpman logo. Let me do a quick comparison to the box label. The left one is size 9. Kind of a funny story. I used to, when I was younger, back in my high school days, I will kind of get a bigger size so my shoes can last forever. Thinking I will grow. Fortunately, I stayed size 8, 8.5. Never got to size 9, but it's still fine. Still wear my size 9 shoes without a problem. So you can see the OG, the 2000 pair, white Midnight Navy. New pair, it says the same thing as well. White Midnight Navy. And the bottom part, obvious difference, of course. Got the Nike here. Got the Nike, bunch of Nikes and Nike hair over here as well. Got the Jumpman logo over here. You can see it. So a lot of differences in the box. Not much difference in the shoe. Little minor things. I know the main question everybody had that I've seen throughout the subreddits and the forums was if the quality was better. My opinion, like I said before, I prefer the 2000 pair quality. You can kind of see how thick that is. Let me see if I can kind of zoom in even better. You can see how thick that is right there. You can compare it to the thickness over here. For the tongue, the Midnight Navy looks good. I wouldn't mind the black or the Midnight Navy. The black tongue, I like it more just because it's, different, I would say. But it doesn't defy my choice of why I chose the 2000 pair over the newer pair. I mentioned it before as well, the color's darker. But it's mainly the quality that would make me rather just keep my OGs, sole swap them, and sell the 6s later. Or keep them. I can have one to beat up and the other one just to wear it on special occasions, I guess, or vice versa. But yeah, hopefully this was helpful. There's better videos out there that go more into depth and the difference. I was just more focused in the quality of the leather and the outsole and everything, and the color, mainly the color. Might do some comparisons with the Lightning 4s as well, and also the Ranger Bulls. Difference between this and the Lightning 4s. I actually like the newer 4s, but I'll get into depth in my next video on those.